want a boogie? Boogie! Boogie!
Hanley, what is that? What is that?
What's that?
Puppy?
Strawberry.
Nah.
Yeah.
Good.
You smiling for the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Is that how you think we smile? There you go. There you go. There you go. What are you doing?
That's right.
Yeah. You're trying to fit that whole thing in your mouth?
Now, in my defense, these strawberries are all cut up, and she is taking like 3 chunks and putting them all in her mouth at once. Before I get complaints of giving her huge pieces of food.
That's how you eat
Oh,
cereal.
no.
Awesome. Hang on, please don't play in it. Let's, here.
Okay, so we'll pause here for cleanup.